gave up that quickly? Come on. I know, get the froggy. Sasha, get the froggy. You gonna come rub on me instead? Get that frog. Tell that frog how it is. Get him. You gonna come back for some more love? Mommy, I can't get the frog. Okay, I'll try again. Go get that froggy. I know. You devise a plan and let me know how that goes. Get that frog. Get the frog. I know, honey, that poor froggy. He's awfully elusive. Hey, what's up? I'm trying to put the frog on TV. The froggy wants to have his moment. Sash, come on. Hi, froggy. I know, get the froggy. You know that froggy's not fazed by you at all. Hey, bye-bye, froggy. Give froggy a kiss. Nope. I'm going to meatloaf it right here. And then I'm going to lie down. Goodbye, Sash. Goodbye, froggy.